Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and Leetcode ready. Start by choosing a focus tag and a difficulty level. Open Leetcode, filter by Python and pick 2 easy and 1 medium problem to warm up. Clone a local repo or create a folder named Leetcode Python, then add a template script and a test harness. Once done, run the template to confirm your environment. Make sure Pytest or Unitest executes a sample test so you don't waste time later. You should begin by parsing examples and constraints allowed to spot edge cases. Implement a brute force version if you're unsure, then profile where it fails complexity-wise and refactor toward optimal patterns like 2 pointers or hash maps. Write unit tests for normal and edge cases, run them often, and commit working snapshots. Once tests pass, analyze time and memory. Document trade-offs in a README so you remember why you chose this approach later. You will submit the solution and immediately inspect failure cases or performance outliers. If it fails, reproduce the input locally and step through with print statements or a debugger, focusing on boundary values and off-by-one issues. Once accepted, refactor but avoid breaking tests. Update your README with complexity and key insights. One tip: if results differ only on Leetcode, check integer limits and input parsing. Those are common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.